Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram video or Instagram post private. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, we need to go to our profile. Click on this profile section and your profile on Instagram will be opened. Then you can choose a photo or video from your profile that you want to make private. For example, I'm going to make this video private, so I'm gonna open this video like this, and then we can click on these three dots, and then if you want to make it private, you can select archive. Okay, once you archive your your video will be private for your followers, and only you who can see your video. And if you want to check it, you just need to go to your Instagram setting and activity, click on the three dots, and then you can go to archive. Okay, and we can go to the post archive. All right. Okay, and as you can see, this is the video I have just made it. I have just made private, and if you want to check it, we can go to the post archive. This video will be visible only for you. Alright guys, and that's how we can make Instagram video private. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.